Hi everyone, so this is a peacock eyeshadow look. It's very colorful and beautiful, just like the feathers of a peacock. So starting off with a yellow eyeshadow, we're going to apply that on the crease all the way up until it's a little bit below the brow bone. The color yellow is a bit harder to blend it out, so you want to take your time and blend it. And of course, if you need more product, you can always add more and continue blending. The most important technique that I'm using here to blend it is windshield wiper motions. That's the side-to-side swaying motions. Apply a neon green color. It looks yellow on camera, but trust me, it's green. Now apply a lime green color and use a darker green color and basically mix the two together and blend it out on the crease. You want to emphasize the outer area where you usually line your eyes. Taking a royal blue color, you want to apply that on top of all the other colors. Here's a tip, you don't want to interfere with the other transitioning colors because then it will interfere with the look. Afterwards, you want to apply a concealer to the lid. Take that royal blue color on a flat brush and apply that on the outer corners only halfway. Now using a shimmery blue color on this detailing brush, apply that onto the center of your lid like I am here. As you're applying it, you want to blend it out very lightly with the other blue color. Next, apply a shimmery lime green color onto the inner corners of your eye. During this step, you also want to blend it out lightly to the other blues. Over here, I really make sure that I'm doing it gently because if not, then it will become very rough looking. Using a pointed, thin detailing brush, you want to apply some shimmery eyeshadow onto the inner corner or the tear duct of your eye. Now line your waterline with eyeliner and apply a blue eyeshadow and smudge it underneath. Now you want to apply a mascara. Apply false eyelashes. And don't forget to apply mascara onto your lower eyelashes. Line your lips with lip liner. And apply lipstick. In this case, I'm applying red lipstick. Apply some highlight onto your cheekbones. This is totally optional, so you really don't have to do it. Along with the cheekbones, I'm also applying highlight to the bridge of my nose. Here are the final results. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below, share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, take care, stay safe, goodbye.